Yo, Holy Ghost. It's been a couple years since I took a toast. A couple years since I had my back up against the ropes. They wanna see me drown. I swim in success and still keep afloat. You can't pin me down, Holy Ghost. I quote it while moving town to town out on different grounds. Stay cautious everywhere you step, don't trust a soul around. Yeah, temptation is the devil's work. He used to have me treat money more than it's worth. Now I know better. Improvise, don't let the loss bring out your worst. Just stay focused on that win. Them haters always gonna lurk. Balance of life, there's many potholes on that road to success, but it ain't nothing to a G. I keep that ease in my breath. Got shorty counting bread, do a couple G's to the left. I'm known for fucking up plans. Make sure that first approach it best. That ain't nothing to have them G's approach it next. You show me more respect. I've been grinding for different outcomes, cause these niggas plotting. I've been praying for better days. Too many niggas dropping. Play that role low key is